Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use duplicate cards in Royal Match. First, open the Royal Match app on your phone and let the game load. From the main screen, tap the card or album icon. This is where all your cards are stored. You will see different card set with picture. Some cards will say new and other will say duplicate. Duplicate cards are cards you already own. That means you receive the same card more than once. Extra cards are not wasted. They usually are useful. In the Royal Match, duplicate cards are used automatically. When you collect duplicates, the game converts them into reward, helps you to unlock cheat or bonus, or files progress toward special prize. You do not need to tap or sell them yourself. Sometimes Royal Match has special card event. During this event, duplicate cards can be exchanged or maybe reverse missing card, or you can earn bonus, coin, boost, or extra reward. Just keep playing level and the cards handle everything for you. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.